What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a new piece of tech that I picked up. These are the Liberty 3 Pros from Soundcore or Anker, whatever you want to call it. I picked these up for $99. They're usually $179, $149, but got such a great deal from Best Buy, I had to pick these up. Now, I have set these up with my Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Now these come with a lot of cool things. You get all these tips here, wing tips here. You get all these the tips there for your headphones. You could try different ones. Now I have two different sizes because I have two different size ears. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. And this case is pretty cool. Look at this case. It slides. So it doesn't do the traditional opening up like that, but it just slides open, which I love. This is also wireless case that you could charge wirelessly. Also, it's type C, so it's really cool. Now the earbuds themselves are pretty big, but they fit nice in the ear. They sound great. The noise cancellation is excellent. Really pleased with a lot of the features on here. Full transparency mode. You got your EQ settings. I love the box, the way it's set up. It comes with a type C cable here, as you can see there. And you also have the Liberty or the Soundcore settings here. Oh, I gotta connect to them. I guess I'm not connected, but I just kind of wanted to do a real quick video showing you guys the Soundcore 3s. And these things, I'm telling you, they are spectacular. If you could pick them up for $99, I would definitely do it, because they are that good. I mean, they are really good. I would compare them with the definitely compare them with the Apple AirPods Pros, whatever you want to call it, because these are phenomenal. They are a little big in the ear, but other than that, I think they're pretty good. If you ask me, these are really good. As you can see, it connects to the app real nice. You have all kinds of stuff, noise cancellation. You got the normal, you got transparency mode. You have a lot of different EQ settings, default, 3D surround sound. You could do custom, all kinds of cool stuff. And I love the way they sound on this phone. So if you guys can get a chance, pick it up for 99 bucks. I would do it in a heartbeat. But I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys the Liberty 3 Pros. I love this case, by the way. Really cool case. Type C. Peace, party people.